Hi, my name is Simone and I am a 3D generalist. I'm a 3ds Max expert and I'm here to talk about TyFlow Masterclass. In order to work in advertising or in motion graphics, I think it's mandatory for generalists to know at the very least the basis for rigid body simulations, soft body simulations, cloth. This knowledge, which I dig just for pure passion, has been inestimable in all the production I work for. Mainly advertising, but I work also in architectural visualization, and I started my work as a generalist in a CGI documentary for BBC, dinosaurs mainly. So TyFlow is a plugin for 3ds Max, and it's everything that particle flow should have been. It's a particle system, really simple, really powerful. It's being created and it gets updated weekly basically by a genius 3D artist and a developer, Tyson Bell. In this lesson, after a small introduction about TyFlow and the main operators, we're gonna dissect a couple of scenes that I created in the previous weeks. One is a transforms-like effect about assembling and disassembling any 3D object in a procedural way. And the other one is the replica of the cell-splitting tutorial, the famous cell-splitting tutorial made in Houdini. I redid it in TyFlow, and we'll see how to just recreate it and what are the differences in workflows. We're also going to talk about the basics of rigid body simulations and also how to use TyFlow in a more rule-based way. And we're going to go through a nice exercise about surface force, spheres crawling over a surface, and how to fill the voids. And we're also going to learn how to make stuff grow over surfaces like flowers or grass or whatever you want. And we're gonna learn how to make a procedural knitting system. And in the end we're gonna explore different soft body methods, different ways to obtain a soft body simulation. At the end of the lesson, you will know new workflows, new tips and tricks that you can apply in your everyday job, even if it's not motion graphics or visual effects, but even just modeling, for example.